Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing with my Purpur kit, the How to Kill a Kit with Style. I have an idea, so let's see what I can do. Now the first thing I'm going to do is grab my new Up, Up, and Away stencil from Scrapping Reflections, and I'm going to grab some Nuvo embellishment mousse and just use my brush to get some of that mousse through the stencil. So I'm not looking for like big in your face airplanes. So on some of the areas of the stencil, I'm putting a little bit more mousse through, and on some of them it's going to be very light. Now I really like the effect once I pull off the stencil on top of this wood grain. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm a huge fan of wood grain papers, so I think that this pairs pretty well. I take a peek and I do a little happy dance, and yay, I love it. So I just get the stencil, toss it to the side. I don't bother cleaning it because it's not a glitter glaze. I'll clean it later. And then I'm just going to put some adhesive down on that sheet, and I'm going to adhere it to some white cardstock. And I just have a hunk of white cardstock showing. It's maybe about 3.5 inches. And then I have this photo of my feet in an airplane, and it is frankly a whole heck of a lot of legroom. I took the photo and sent it to my husband because I got a exit row, and I was like, yes, look at all this space. Even with my purse underneath of the seat, I had tons and tons of space. Now my photo does not really like to stick down to this glitter cardstock. I find that some glitter cardstocks, I just can't get my ATG to really stick to it. So I grab my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive, which is my ultimate favorite liquid adhesive ever, and then that bad boy is going to stick down. Now, ever since I put together this kit, I had this idea to do with this final sticker sheet, and basically I cut the stickers in half, and I'm going to go ahead and create a sticker border all the way across my page. So I am going to go in order from the reds and the pinks to the purple, and then I'm going to go backwards and go back from the purple to the reds to the pinks. So as you can see, I have two of those purples together. And I thought that it would go completely across the page at 12 inches, but it doesn't. So I just go ahead and trim that little bit off of the side of my layout. And then I'm also going to go to the top of the layout and trim off a little bit up there as well. Now I thought about putting the cut on the white cardstock at the bottom, but I thought that that would really just take too much of the white cardstock away. I definitely wanted that contrast between all of the colors and what was going on the top of the layout to something on the bottom. So I try out a floral paper. It was just too busy, so I went ahead and grabbed this purple on purple grid paper, and I like the darkness of that in the background combined with some of the lighter things here in the front. So I don't really have a piece of paper in my stash that I really want to cover up the join between the stickers and the wood grain. So I go to the kit, and I have this, it's like a translucent solid purple washi tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and run that across the layout 3 times. And what that's going to do is it's not going to be so much translucent anymore. It's actually going to give it more of a solid feel, so I really don't have to worry about you seeing the cut lines of the stickers underneath of it, because, you know, nobody wants to see that. So I have these puffy stickers that have also been in the kit, and I go ahead and go with a geotag because it is a travel layout, so geotags go with travel. And this time I decided to put a gold puffy heart in the center of it. And I know that it's going up here on the top, so I've gone ahead and put it down. Now this stuff does not stick that well, so I do know I'm going to have to use my adhesive but I'm not sticking anything down with the glue just yet, just in case I want to move things around a little bit. I don't want to have to worry about that. So I pulled off that gold phrase sticker that says "Get It Girl," and then the title is going to be "Legroom, Get It Girl." Now, you guys know I like my little funky titles, and this one is a little funky title, and I'm okay with that. So I'm looking at my sticker sheet, trying to see what else I can use the sticker sheet for. The problem with this sticker sheet is it has a lot of crafty words and icons on it, and I guess I could have used crafty words and icons on this layout because I was traveling back from a crop, but I decided not to go that direction. Instead, I went ahead and pulled off the florals, and I'm just going to layer them up over the photo. I'm going to make my title overlap the little floral over here, and then I'm going to make the geotag and the heart overlap the larger floral sticker right here. And now this is where I am certain that's what I want, so I'm going to add that Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. And these puffy stickers, you guys, they don't stick. They are older. The letter puffy stickers are from 2016, and I could not even tell you. Can I tell you? I'm looking at it. Love and Lemon Craft Company. I don't even know if Love and Lemon, I don't even know if they're still around, but I'm looking at the packaging and it doesn't have a date, so who knows. So I'm just going to look through this Bloom Street sticker book one more time to see if there's anything in there that I might be able to use. There's some butterflies and some bugs. Not going to happen on this layout, you guys. But what does happen is this little blue sticker that says Miracle, and I just place that over here next to the title. It's not part of the title, but if you read it as part of the title, that's fine. Like, I'm not really concerned about it. So now I'm just pulling out stuff from my kit, just seeing if there's anything else, any other little bits that I want to add, and there's really not. So what I am going to do is, now I thought about I would like that little puffy sticker there and I would overlap Miracle, but Miracle's pretty stuck down and I was like, I'm not worrying about that. So I decided to do a little line of journaling around the photo. I really didn't want my black pen on the white cardstock. I definitely wanted to have that contrast there. So I just write a little line of journaling about kind of crazy how much legroom there is in emergency exit row, and that's all I say. And then I'm also going to write the date down on the other side of the photograph. And then that is going to do it for this layout, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon for another video.